Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Monday, December 12th, 2022. So today did not go as planned. I was really hoping to get some kind of signal, whether it be a buy or a sell. And the only thing I was really looking for was a slight break of the 39.17, where the 39.08, 3900 was gonna, was I was anticipating was gonna hold, and that would have been my buy option. But right now, I'm kind of I'm on the fence, but I'm believing that today was the start of the Santa rally, and my ultimate target is going to be, if the Bulls can stay, in place, is up to the 42.20. That's where I believe the next top is going to be coming. Now, whether it started already, that part is it's a little tough to say. So this is the 50-day moving average that's at 40.18. So this is going to be some resistance right here. And if you look at this pattern here, I think I pointed this out the other day, where I said, maybe we get a bounce back up and we make a right shoulder, where this is our left shoulder, this is our head, and this would be our right shoulder. Now, a couple things on this would be: one, if we get up here and let's just say it gets held down near that 40.33 level, or even a little bit, it only goes up to the 40.18. What it is that still works for this pattern. It doesn't have to be exactly up here, but the thing is, we're going to be also be doing a back test of this bearish wedge. Now, again, I've been saying, I'm going to continue to say, even though these patterns are bearish, I still think seasonality wise is going to kick in, and we're going to see these resistance levels taken out. I'm Like I said, I'm just a little bit cautious. I did not want to see the S&P up 56 points today. I really was hoping that it was going to hang around and we can just at least start dabbling in. But you can see right here that every time we got down to the 200-day moving average, this is where the buyers stepped in, and today they did. Now, there's another pattern that, again, it's has me on the fence a little bit as far as committing to the long side, but this kind of looks like it's a little bit of a bear flag, where we have our A, B, C move. So, but we don't really have any bearish divergences. So that's, I know I'm all over the place on this, but it's kind of hard not to, because seasonality wise, the market seems like it wants to go higher, into the Santa rally. But the patterns that are in place are all bearish patterns, whether it be the falling wedge, or the bearish wedge, or the head and shoulders pattern. So it's I still think the safest trade is to buy the dips. But if, let's just say, we do see some sellers step in near this the 40.20 area, of 40 up anywhere from the 40.20 up to the 40.30. I definitely I wouldn't be looking to use that dip as a place to buy. You can see momentum got moved into oversold levels. We had some bearish divergences here, but maybe that was all they really needed, was just this little break right here, because it was close to 200 points. So it did what I was as far as my expectations for the drop. It didn't meet it. I was just really looking for more for a bullish divergence, where we would have made the lower low and we would have gotten the buy signal. So I'm going to leave it where, if we open up, up and then we go down tomorrow, then I'll wait patiently, because there's a good chance that we will be taking out these lows. But if we come up and let's say come down, and then we find support at the 39.78, or even down at the 39.29 level, that's probably where I'd be looking to buy. But right now, like I said, I'm leaning more on buy the dips, but it's hard to do without any concrete triggers with as far as buy signals or sell signals. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Again, if the bulls take over, this the 50-day moving average is only what is it, 28 points away. So, we'll see the way we open tomorrow. Maybe we get up to the 40-31. I'd still like to see some kind of head fake to the downside. And again, that's where I'd be looking to buy the dip. So with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.